girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Niko Moon. That's the first time on this channel, pretty sure about that. The song is called Money Can't Buy. So he's pretty happy, he has everything he wants to, and yeah, the same here. I have a guitar, camera, and that's what I need to handle this song and do a tutorial. So let's go into this one. We're gonna look at the setup here. We have a capo, it's placed on the 3rd fret. That's the setup. And if you don't have any capo, then just follow the same chords. It will be a little bit darker when you play, but anyway, easy chords. That is great. So speaking of the chords, let's go into it. It will be the G, C, and D we're gonna use for this song. So let's start with G first. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. That's the G. Next chord is C, and that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is the D. And that D goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so that will be the same chord progression from the beginning till the end. And we're going to look at the strumming now. It's divided into 2 different parts. Okay, so if you go to the first chord, the G, we're going to learn to play part 1. It will be down, down, clap, down, up. Okay, so down, down, clap, down, up. Then you switch chord to C and play part 2, and that will be up, down, clap, down, up. So up, down, clap, down, up. Okay, and then you switch to D, the final chord, and play 1 full round. That means both part 1 and part 2, down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. And that will end 1 round. So it goes like this. Again. And so on and on and on. That is how you handle Niko Moon's Money Can't Buy. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Very easy song, so give it a try. And until next time, play tuned.